Hello my people, today I feel like more like eat some pepper steaks and I say me I go try something new in the kitchen. So you don't know, it's a girl Sanya, and today I will be cooking some pepper steaks. And guess what? Feel like some don't want to eat it with no beef, so today I will be using my chicken breast. I don't cut them in pieces already, just like how I would do the beef. That's how I cut up my chicken breast, like the pepper steaks, you understand? So I will be using my chicken instead of beef today. You don't know a thing goes, so stay tuned right now to see everything. Don't know, so me I do it with some white rice. My rice up on the fire already. Yeah, so now I will be turning on my other flame to do my pepper steaks. Stay tuned. So in the meantime, as I turn on my flame on the steak spot, in the meantime I will be just seasoning up my pepper steak. So right now I will be using some maggi chicken seasoning on my chicken, and then I will show you the other seasoning that I'll be using to season up my chicken steak today. So I'm seasoning up in my chicken. Next, I will be using some jerk seasoning. It comes with pimento seeds, it comes with pepper, it comes with, I love to use this seasoning because it comes with onion, garlic powder, ginger. Not saying I won't be using the original seasoning. So at this time, I'm going to pull my seasoning to give it a different taste. And I like to use island spice jerk seasoning also on my chicken. Alright? Seems like you get a bigger report. So as you can see, this is how I'm doing my chicken steak. I just said I want to try something new, and I always use my soya sauce to give it the coloring and the flavor also. So I'm just rubbing it in. I'm just rubbing in the seasoning, as you can see. So at this time, I just rub in the seasoning. Gonna make this chicken kind of marinate while I just cut out my seasoning. Then you see me, sweet pepper, my this and my that. You don't know, it's the girl Sanya doing a new episode of something new today. While the chicken is marinating, I will be cutting my seasoning. So in the meantime, I will be adding my oil into the pot. The pot is hot, as you can see. The pot is hot. So I'm just adding a little cooking oil to give my chicken a little spicy. So now, meanwhile the oil is hot, I'm just going to go ahead to cut up my seasoning so you can see much better. I'm cutting up my onion. I love my onion, give it a better flavor. Randomly, I just love cook with onion. And you know, the basic of this pepper chicken steaks is all about the sweet pepper. I'm going to add a hot pepper in it also, but I'm just going to do it with my sweet pepper first. So I'm cutting up my sweet pepper. Cooking up my sweet pepper, and it's all about the sweet pepper. So I just cut up the sweet pepper. Then you see me, right? Now I will be cutting up my carrot. Them washed already, scraped. So now I will be just cutting up my carrot. So instead of using red meat, I decided to use my chicken, which I realize chicken is everybody's favorite. So now that's the oil hot. I'm going to go ahead to add my chicken breast. So you know, in no time, the chicken breast will prep on the fire to give it a little bit more color, right? Meanwhile, I will still be cutting up my garnish into my chicken pepper steaks now. So I have my thyme, my carrot, my onion, my hot pepper, and I have my sweet pepper, ginger, and I have my pimento seed right here. So now I will be adding my garnish into my chicken. So in the meantime, it is cooking. This is how it looks. Yes, my people, as you can see, my pepper steaks is simmering down. As Jamaican people would say, my pot is simmer down. So at this time, I will be adding some Carl's tomato ketchup to give it the nice flavor, you see? You see me? Alright. So me I go stir in that. Stir in it. Yeah, my people, this is how me stir in it. I don't know, it's my chicken pepper steaks today. I just feel like some want some pepper steaks, but me I use something different. As you can see, people, it look delicious already. And I can't wait for it done. Yeah. And I decide that me add like okra, my people. So you know, see something good, and my white rice done cook with my thyme.